Some of the things we love the most about the summit are the small class sizes, the progressive educational programming, just the friendly environment that we get from the moment you walk in the front door.
So as an independent school, we really operate independently. We're structured as a nonprofit. We're accredited through ISACS, which is the Independent School Association of the Central States. And through that, we really get to develop our own curriculum, our own educational goals, and live out the mission of the summit.
At the summit, teachers are the captains of their own ship. They get to really explore with their students, a place where teachers can be creative. Teachers get to come up with wonderful curricula and lesson plans that can take students places where you couldn't really go in another setting.
I've always been involved with the math competitions and extracurricular math. I was also involved with the Lego robotics team, and we went to a couple competitions there.
We're really looking for kids who are intrinsically motivated, kids who are willing to tackle problems, kids who are willing to think creatively, willing to work with one another and collaborate.
Here you see students in small groups learning things together. You see them all interacting together in meaningful ways. You see in the high school, for example, we have freshmen on up to seniors, of course. And the seniors are very involved with the freshmen. That's not always the case in a high school setting.
We've seen an abundant amount of growth in our children since they first enrolled at the summit. Our son is just excited to come to school every day, and he can't wait to tell us about all the new things that he's learned. Our daughter is learning well beyond her grade level.
Progressive education really can be defined in a lot of ways, and it's not a new term, but I think at the summit, the best way to describe that is student-directed and student-led. Here, it's about what they're interested in learning, sparking their curiosity. They're really a part of the learning process. It's not just teaching to a curriculum or a text, but it's finding out what they want to know and helping them to accomplish their goals.
I want to be a physicist or an engineer. That's probably what I want to study in college. The summit has really helped with that, with all the hands-on opportunities.
I love the energy here. I love that because of the fun, because of the lightness, because of the diminished fear of failure, students are more willing to try things that they might not ever have tried before.
The summit's hands down the best place for education here in the Ozarks.
The offerings of this school, the community, the environment, the engagement of the teachers, it's all just been wonderful.
Yeah, and I would just say if you're looking for something different, if you're looking for more out of your education, to come take a tour of the school. We were sold the minute we walked through the doors, and I think if you can come see what we're all about, you would be just as impressed.